It's a little bit retro, but this Meatloaf Parmesan in SkinnyAmerica is one the family will be begging for. Imagine a giant meatball smothered in marinara sauce and topped with melted cheese and fresh basil. We love saving the leftovers for a sandwich the next day. At only 320 calories per serve, this meatloaf is tender and full of veggies too. It's a fantastic meal for feeding a large family, but if you're like me and don't have many mouths to feed, this one is fantastic to prepare and split into 2 or 3 mini loaves to add to the freezer stash. Give this one a go and let us know what you think.